All right, if you have not updated Gmail, you probably have, but if you haven't, there's some new features to it, one of which I really, really love. So if you haven't updated, or if you want to know if you have or not, you can click the settings and it's going to tell you or ask you if you'd like to update. I would go ahead and do that because when you do, you get this amazing task icon over there. So I'm going to open this up. And the amazing thing about it is that here is my to-do list right here. So I can add a task by clicking up here. It will also let me add a date to it. So as you can see, today's date on my to-do list is to finish this screencast. If I want to edit it, I can go in there, I can change my date. This is actually a part of a larger task, which is this one, working on my calendar and newsletter for October. So you can do subtasks. So if I edit here, I can see that this is a subtask to that. I can add additional subtasks if I need to. So it's just really fun to go in and play with. So when I'm done with this screencast, I am going to mark it as complete. And there we go. It's very satisfying because you can see down here. I can undo it. But you can also see down here that I've completed 73 tasks since I've started using this, which makes me just a little happy because I do like checking things off my list. The other cool thing about this is that you can also open it up in calendars and it will put, if you've got a date on your tasks, it will put them on your calendar so that as you're looking at this, it's a good little reminder, all right, this is what I need to have done by this date. So again, tasks, fabulous. It belongs right here. And you have it if you have updated your Gmail.